Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change address on Foodpanda. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have, and download the Foodpanda application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, but guys, if you're having struggles with that, you can always find videos on our YouTube channel. So guys, now let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, you can see that we have your address, we have the search bar, and we have in the bottom side, we have 4 tabs, which are the home tab, shops, search, and the account tab. Now, what we also have is, as you can see, how you can actually go and change the address on Foodpanda. So we have a couple of things that you can do. You can go to the top left corner, as you can see where the address is, 107 Phi Jones Street, Hong Kong, and you can change it there. You can click on the bottom tabs and click on the right tab, which is the account tab. You can go there. When you click on there, you can then go and click on view profile, which is underneath your name, and there you can go and find all the information about your profile, where you can find your address. And the last option is, as you can see, we have the orders, favorite, and the third option is addresses. You can go and click on that option there, and there is the last option, how you can actually go and change your address. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.